Niall Amari from Best RV in Trolla, California. What is behind me is the most beautiful fifth wheel you're gonna find. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this full body paint. It has the wow factor. It's a brand new 2026 Alpine Keystone 3303CK. First, look how beautiful this is. All paint. All paint. All these striping is paint. You don't have to worry about decals gonna crack on you from the heat, especially here in the valley in California. And it look beautiful, shiny details. I don't know what to say how beautiful this unit from outside. Now, features, full body paint, that's number one. Four slide toppers. You see this unit has four slide out. Two slide out this side, two slide out the other side. And they have the slide topper to cover your slide out from any debris. Frameless window, as you see here. Two power awning with LED lights. It has also 440i. What does mean 440i? It has two 220 solar panel on the roof, and it has 2000 inverter. And the inverter is located right here. This is your 2000 watt inverter, and the 220 solar panel is on the roof. So there's 4 panels on the roof and an inverter, solar panel controllers, 6-point hydraulic leveling system, very clean. Quality, quality, quality. Peace of mind. This is the unit. Speak for itself. Let's go more in details. You have a big pass-through storage with shock. And look, all the aluminum frame, all the nice LED light. You could control the slide out from here if you want to. 4 switch, you could control the slide from here. Control it from where's the dumping valves. There's a controlling the slide, and also from inside. Nice shock. Slam luggage door, as you see. Going here, you have a 4-step. Look how this. Now, the major changes they did in the Alpine, which is worth $1 million, is this axle back right there. So you could see each tires has this side 2 shocks and a big leaf spring on this side as well on the other side. So you have less bouncing unit on the road and more smoothness. That is a big deal. This is a new for 26. Keystone, they did it right this time. 2 power awning with LED light, frameless. Look how beautiful the paint. Look how the paint, I wish the cameraman could show you how beautiful the paint on this unit. You know, high-end decals were the words Keystone Alpine. And then you have a class 3 hitch with a 4-way plug. You could pull just keys, boat. Look how beautiful the nice LED light. Finish clean trims on the unit. Also, I don't have big 50 amp power cord heavy I could use. You know, I could just roll it out. And if I need to use it, watch. You push a switch and it pull it for me. Sorry, I have to hold it. And voila. And that's the beauty of this. So the power cord is an electric rails, and that's all the Alpines. Nice features. Look, the paints. Look, the gray with the white and the silver. Endless hot water heater. And also, to show you, it's a nice, some manufacturer, when they do full body paint on unit, they don't paint the furnace cover. They don't paint the cover of the hot water heater, or you see just black. Well, the nice thing about this, let me just put it. Okay, the nice thing about the Alpine, they paint even the covers to match the unit. One-piece docking station, and let's talk about the docking station. They did a lot of changes. First, you have outside shower, hot and cold. Now, you see here, I want to point the cameraman. Other brand, they have the stupid valve. You have to push hard on them, and sometimes you bend them. Well, no. All you do, turn the switch. You see, and you could hear the voice. I could hear the valve. They start closing. So all the dumping, the black, the gray, and the second gray is all electric dump valve, not manual. It's nicer. You see here also full house water filtration system. So any water drop going in the filter go through the filter in the unit. switches for the slide. You can control the two slide from here, whereas you need them to could access your pipe for your sewage, so it's not in your way. Then you have another pass-through storage, as you see. 2 propane tank, 7 gallon, easy to access. Same level, you don't have to bend your back. Auto leveling lippert, 5, 2, 4, 1. And you could see the system is easy to use, easy to monitor. You could extend auto leveling. Beautiful, love it. And then over here on this particular unit, I love the shocking on this. It's already prepped for generators, as you see. And you could put 5.5 on a generator if you want, or you could leave your portable one. And then this is where the inverter and the solar. You could see here the 30 amp solar controllers and the battery disconnect for it. I'm anxious to see, and I'm anxious to show you the inside of the 3303CK. Isn't it beautiful? It has really the wow factor. I thank you, Keystone, for what you did. They add the extra shelving with the lighting. They have more cabinet here, as you see, and they have the self-closing cabinet. The roller shades, they're actually 2 layers. This is daytime and nighttime, and then if I wanted daytime, I could do this way, and that's daytime. So daytime, nighttime, as you see. 3-seat sofa, not a double seat. A lot of them, they give you 2. This has a 3-seat. Place for your cell phone charger, as you see the blue light here, and USB plug and 110 in case if you want to charge your phone, laptop while you're sitting here and having nice conversation. Facing the 50-inch smart TV with the fireplace, you have electric theater seating. I wish I'm in 110, but they are electric. And then they have the cell phone charger, and then there's a room here for your remote control, so they don't waste that. So they give you remote control controllers, and they are theater seating facing. All the light, they are on a dimmer, as you see. That's another beautiful. Now the kitchen, it speaks for itself. I don't know how to say it. I mean, look at it. How many counter space you have? You have this area, you have that area, you have this, and then I'm gonna show you the hidden area. So, because Keystone Alpine is a high-end, they give you a full house residential sink. It's deep, and that's the reason why they have to do the counter cover 3 pieces, because it's a big sink, as you see, and it's a high-rise faucet. They give you a lot of doors. Give me 1 second, I don't put it right. It's like a puzzle, you have to put everything right to put it back. Great. Then you have tinsel doors, you have 3 of them here. Trash can, they solved the problem. Now they're giving you 2 trash cans, 1 for disposable, 1 for recycling. You want more storage, it's right there. And then the lady is gonna come to me, Niall, you know what I want? I want pantries. Well, yes, they give you the pantries right here. You have a really nice finished pantry. You put your cereals, canned food, sugars, flours, salt, peppers, you name it. All these big stuff. And then you have another one here. You could use this for cooking pan, or you could, again, more pantry. You have 4 shelf, or you could put your appliances counter. This is appliance counter. Everybody asks me, what is appliance counter? This is the counter where I put my espresso machine, my toasters, my coffee maker, my margarita mixers, my Ninja air fryers. I could put it right here. I have a room for it. Why? Because you have plugs on both sides. I have a nice window here if I want to look from it. And or I could use this for my bar, for my booze. I could my bottles, my mixers. If I drop water here, it's no big deal because it's a solid surface, washable. I could use this storage also, and then I have another storage here. I could use it for my games, my books, you know, you name it, you could put it right there. So it's plenty counter space. Microwave, 30-inch microwave. They give you the biggest refrigerator in the market of the RV, which is the Furrion. You have 2 door for fridge, 1 door for freezer, 2 door for freezer, 1 with the ice maker. And then this is the one, the deep, look how deep it is. And again, I'm honored to remove the plastic. And you could see how big the room underneath. Again, still brand new with the stickers. This it need a full speech, because the guy who invented, he thought about every single space. They give you nice cabinets with lights around the kitchen hood. Other manufacturer, they give you a straight kitchen hood, the tube of the stainless steel and the hood, and they call it good. But they're smart what they did. They put a latch here and they say, well, we don't waste space. We could give the lady hidden storage. So now you have a big shelf. You could store things. It's not wasted. And again, you still have function of the light and the fan. And even if you close the hood, I still function the fan and the light without even opening. But the opening give you ability to gain the storage and hide things or store things in the top. That's another nice features about this unit. Now, the stove and the oven is 100% residential, 4 burner, not a 3. And yes, you could put turkey here. Look how deep it is. And you could put turkey, no question asked. This is removable, by the way, and you could go down and put a turkey. Now, the ladies, they say, I need still more counter space. I said, wait a minute, look at this. Additional counter space, solid service with 4 tinsel door. But the beauty, when I give you the additional counter space, I still walk, you see? I'm not stuck in the back. I'm still walking with no problem around my island. So now, rather counter space, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 areas where I could use counter space, where I could cook and do my chef, do my extra appliances, my air fryers, plenty room, plenty storage. And I'm not sacrificing my beautiful rear view in the back. That's one thing. We need to look at it. Now, so that's from the kitchen. Now we go to the dinette. I love what they did because my knees hurt from bouncing all these foots. Now, they give you a silver tinsel door, fancy one, and then they give you more storage. Now I could play cards, I could put more plates on it, and I have plenty of room. And then when I'm done, lock it, put it back, voila. Let's go to the bedroom. Now, here's the beautiful king-size bedroom with a solid headboard, LED light, balances, and roller shades, storage underneath, facing the big vanity with closets, and you have a plenty door for his and for her. You have a smart TV, 32-inch, facing your king-size bed. And across from it, we have a beautiful place for stackable washer dryers combo. Or I could do stackable or combo unit and keep that shelf. And the closet's so big. I want to show them. I could sit inside if I want to. Just how deep it is. Place for your shirt, shirt. Or you could use, these are shirts for socks and underwears, and use this one for the lady shoes, so she could bring more shoes. Now, everybody complaining, saying, I've been looking at Fifthwheel, but it's so narrow here. But look here, the width. Look, the width of this unit, the distance between my closet and my bed. I could easily get in my bed. I could easily get to it. I could easily putting my CPAP machines, because I have the 110 plug and the USB on this side, as well have the plug. I have a place for my iPhone when I go to bed. I use it as alarm. I could put my glass of water, water bottle. So you have all that. Going to the bathroom. Oh, 3 AC. So you have AC here, AC, and 2 in the living room. And then the light, they are on a dimmer. Going to the bathroom, because this is what you're gonna love me. Isn't it nice? His and her. His and her. This section for his and this section for her. 2 people, they could brush their teeth. 2 people, they could do their business. And that's the beauty about the 2 vanity. And then no issue for knees. And you want window? You have a window. Nobody could see. Fan, you have a big fan. On the shower, nice glass shower doors. Don't want to go outside. Ladies, they have their own seat to do their business. And big skylight, big elbow, no question asked for this. And you have your towel closet. So you don't have to scream, where's my towels? You could put all your shower towels right there. So this is the Alpine 3303CK. Oh, more storage. Central vacuum, coat hanger. You know, when you come up from the cold, you could hang your coat here. Central vac, as well, more shelf. 3303CK. We have a 2 in stock, or no, we stock many of them, but we have 2 different level. We have one, the one I showed you in the previous video, is decal, like everybody, you know, the white fiberglass gel coated with the decals. And I have one with a full body paints, same amenities, nothing different between the 2 units. The only difference between the 2 units is one is being painted like a car with the paints. One is like normal RV, the one you have is decals. That's it. So we have 3303CK full body paints, and we have one with no full body paints. Come to Best RV because we got them both with the new changes of the 26, with the new axles, new features, new benefit. And our goal, keeping the price, you dream it, camp in it. And we sell for less, and we have a price no one match, and no hidden fees. Coming in.